The rear left light on this car is not working. On a dark night like this, it's absolutely dangerous. If the light is broken, it needs to be replaced. But what if the part is not available right away? This is not an uncommon issue. In this story, the owner of a BMW 1 Series has booked a skiing lodge in Lapland, and as is customary in Finland, he wants to drive to his destination. But with bad weather forecast, driving in the snow with one light out is a bad idea. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a faulty rear light and how to effect a repair, albeit a temporary one. Let's see how it's done with Ben Johnson, BMW Expert Fault Finder. Examining the connector, we can clearly see a burnt pin. According to the wiring diagram, this is ground for the left rear lamp. Why was this burned? Well, the cable size is too thin in my opinion, and the connection of the female pin to the male pin may have been too loose. Let's look at what this lamp contains. After the lamp is removed, the identification of the ground track needs to be performed. On a standard P21 bulb, we need continuity with the side or ground part of the bulb, not the center part, as this is the positive part. Drill a 3 mm hole in the lamp cluster and insert a decent-sized cable. It is then necessary to grind off the coating on the track in order to solder the ground wire securely. Once the cable is soldered, seal the casing with a filler such as Replast to waterproof the insides against moisture penetration. Identify the ground wire on the vehicle harness and then cut it. Bare back the wire and crimp a male spade terminal to the wire. Apply heat shrink tubing and make good before moving on to the final step. A female spade terminal is crimped to the thicker wire to complete the new, more durable ground circuit. A good enough repair to get our customer to Lapland in time and on schedule. And by the looks of it, he has quite the night in store. Cheers!